It's so cute. Look at this. Hi everyone, in today's video I'm gonna be doing what's in my bag tag, and I'm also gonna review this YSL tote which I showed you in the previous video. This is the Saint Laurent shopper tote, and I had it for like 2 months already, something like that, and I gotta say I love this bag. This is how I usually wear it. I know that some people keep this emblem like this, and I think it looks really gorgeous, but I just don't really like, you know, showing off, so I just keep it like this, and I think it still looks pretty good. After I purchased this bag, I knew that it didn't have any pockets, and I knew that I would need some because I have a lot of small stuff in my bag, and I like pockets. I like to have easy access to all the little stuff I have here. Like I have like lip balms and stuff. Like I'm gonna show you everything, but I needed some kind of a tote organizer, and I looked through every single tote organizer on Amazon. I looked through, all the other websites I could find, and the best looking organizer that fit this bag was the Cuyana one. So I actually purchased two different sizes of this Cuyana organizer. I bought the small one and I bought the regular size one because I wasn't sure if the regular size one would fit in this bag, because it was a pretty tight fit, but to be honest, like it's pretty perfect for this bag, even though it was created for the Cuyana tote, but it looks great. And actually what I really love about it is that it keeps this bag in shape. Like if you're gonna put it on a whatever table or ground, like it's gonna keep the shape, because even though this bag is lightly structured, it would sag a little bit, but with the Cuyana organizer it keeps its shape, and I think it looks great. So I love the Tote organizer, not only because it keeps the shape of the bag, but also because it has so many compartments. Like I'm so impressed. I have even a separate keychain here for keys, and how many compartments? Like it has four pockets. In this one here, that's the first pocket here, I keep tissues, gum, blotting linens, lip balms, some medication. I also have eye drops, basically floss, all this small stuff that I would just keep it in the pocket. And I actually love that these pockets here are so huge. Like you can fit anything you want. And if I carry any files, any folders, I usually put it in between the tote organizer and my bag here. And because it keeps its shape, all the papers are in like pristine condition, so it's great. I love that. And the other pocket here, I just keep my glasses, so I have easy access to my glasses. I decided to just put one thing in this huge pocket because it's just easy for me to grab my sunglasses. Sometimes I also put my work MacBook Air in this big pocket because it actually fits. In the other pocket I have this one here on this side. If you can see, I have a pen that is like literally hanging out here. Here you can see, hopefully you can see. Yeah, so I have a pen, and I also have like a shopping bag, so whenever I do grocery shop, I don't waste any paper or plastic bags. I just have a reusable bag right here, and again, super easy access. Then I also have another pocket on this side right here. This is actually a pocket for a water bottle, and I have a BKR water bottle that is a little thicker, so it doesn't fit here in this water bottle pocket. If you have a Swell bottle, it would fit. but I just use this little pocket for more valuable stuff. So I have my AirPods here and my wallet. By the way, I love this wallet. This is like the best thing ever. I'm so glad I got it. A few months later, I got my bag, so it matches my bag because it's the same brand. I also have Stalmates here, just in case. And I also purchased a smaller Cuyana pouch, and I keep here alcohol wipes, pads. I also keep here, I have some little perfume sample, tampon just in case, scrunchie, Band-Aid, and I usually have some Motrin here, but I ran out, so I actually have to put more Motrin here. But yeah, this is just like a emergency pouch, which I definitely put too much stuff in it, too many papers, and it's hard for me to actually lock it, but it's so cute. Look at this. Well, it matches the color of my bag and my Tote organizer. And I also have, obviously, the Saint Laurent pouch here, which was attached to the bag. And here I just keep like my ID, clicker for the garage. I have my key card for my car, and also Costco membership. So yeah. Some stuff that I don't use that often, basically. And I just put it on the bottom of my Tote organizer, so it lays flat, actually. Here. I'm not, and I have some supplements here. This is how it looks inside. You can see on the bottom, the pouch is just like they're flat. But this setup here, I just love. Oh, this is like the best thing ever. And I keep getting messages, DMs, comments about this bag, how I like it, if I would still recommend it. And my answer is yes, 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 yes. This is the best investment I made when it comes to bag. It's incredible. It's been a few months, and this still smells like the best quality leather. I love the smell of this bag. It's funny, but I do. And it's so perfect. The size is literally perfect. I mean, I can fit my laptop here, even 15-inch MacBook Pro. I can fit my MacBook Air. And yeah, I can fit everything I need. So this is really great. I love this bag. I don't think I would change it on anything else. I don't really have any other bags I need or I want. Maybe Chanel boy bag to replace my Rebecca Minkoff bag, but I do love that bag, and it's still great. And I still use it, so I would only consider that if I would have like so much money that I need to spend, on something. But for now, like, I love this bag. I use it every single day. It's a great work bag, and the quality is just spectacular. Like, I do put a lot of stuff in my bag, and it gets very heavy, but it seems like it can hold up pretty well. Like, I don't see any signs of use. Like, you can even check the bottom of the bag. I always put my bag on the floor, so it's not like I treat this bag especially nice. I just use it as a regular bag, and I don't really see any signs of use. The inside of the bag didn't get scratched. It's possible because I do use the insert, the Tote organizer. I did get the bag a little dirty. I was on a shoot, and we were shooting commercial for a meal service, and we were working with food, and I had my script, and I put it on the table with all the food, and I got some avocado sauce on my script, and I didn't notice that, and I put it in my bag, and I got avocado sauce inside of my bag on this part, because Of course, I put my script, you know, and all the papers between my Tote organizer and my bag here, and I got it dirty. And you know, this leather, like you can see, oops, you can see, maybe you can see here, yeah, oh, come on, yeah, so I mean, I clean it up and I don't see any damage, even though like I was scrubbing this inside. Like it's a nice, you know, quality leather. I don't see any damage, even though I had to, you know, rub it to scrub it, because I noticed that my bag was dirty after a few days, so that avocado sauce was like stuck there. But yeah, I was able to clean it. I'm glad I didn't get any lighter color, because you know, it probably would be a lot harder to clean if it would be a different color, but because it's black, you can't really see any dirt on it, really. This is a great investment. I love this bag, and yeah, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments, and I will see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.